Embark on a journey to redefine your coffee experience with the Aeroccino4, Nespresso's latest and most advanced milk frother. This innovative kitchen companion transcends its predecessors, boasting two types of hot foam, hot milk and cold foam, providing an array of options to craft your perfect coffee and milk concoctions in the sanctuary of your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, and right here's why you need it. Craft your coffee your way. The Aeroccino4 is not just a frother, it's a canvas for culinary creativity. Offering two distinct types of hot foam, hot milk and cold foam, it empowers you to unleash your inner barista. Whether you crave the velvety richness of a classic cappuccino or the refreshing allure of an iced latte, the Aeroccino4 grants you the freedom to explore and create. Seamless operation for exceptional results. Experience the sheer simplicity of crafting professional-grade filth with a mere touch. The Aeroccino4, equipped with a single whisk, streamlines the preparation process. Pour in your milk of choice, select your desired button, and witness the magic unfold. In moments, you'll be greeted with a divine milk froth, ready to elevate your coffee ritual. Effortless cleaning, unparalleled convenience, innovative design meets practicality with the Aeroccino4. As part of its user-friendly ethos, this frother is dishwasher safe, ensuring that the joy of indulgent coffee extends beyond the brewing process. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleanup and revel in the convenience of a frother designed for modern lifestyles. Your gateway to coffee excellence. Click the link in the description below to delve into the full specifications of the Aeroccino4. Here's why you need it: a versatile companion for crafting your coffee and milk masterpieces, intuitive one-button operation, and effortless cleanup with its dishwasher-friendly design. Elevate your coffee journey and embark on a flavor-filled expedition with the Aeroccino4. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.